Here we divide 348 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 4. So it became 14 and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So now again we put down the number beside this 8 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting it is 0. So 348 divided by 2 is 174. So this much for today and thanks for watching.